We proudly design, manufacture, and service all of our ramen systems at our ISO 9001 certified headquarters in Seattle, Washington. Our solid-state ramen hardware is incredibly stable and should require little maintenance. Many technical issues can be resolved remotely. However, sometimes it is necessary for us to perform maintenance or upgrades at our headquarters. The MarqMetrix All-in-One is a robust system, suitable for packing and travel, but it is still a precise instrument that should be handled with care. It is the customer's responsibility to ensure that the ramen system is packaged correctly for shipping. MarqMetrix is not responsible for the damage caused by improper packaging. In this video, we are going to walk you through the recommended packing procedures to ensure no further damage occurs in transit. This procedure utilizes the packing materials included in your original MarqMetrix shipment. If you no longer have these packing materials, please contact our support team and we will recommend an alternative option. Before you package the ramen system for shipping, please double check the back of the instrument for interlocks and keys. You do not need to include these when returning the instrument for service. Please ensure that all keys and interlocks are removed before shipping and that the metal dust caps are finger tightened. To start, secure the ramen analyzer in its original foam or cardboard packaging material as you see here. Be careful to line up the semicircle cutout to the dust caps located on the back of the box. Place the other foam piece on top and then place the ramen analyzer in the shipping box. Make sure the foam or cardboard inserts are placed on both ends of the box, creating a snug fit. After placement, double check that the foam pieces are properly aligned. The foam packaging should be oriented at 90-degree angles. Optionally, at this time, you can fill the open space with extra packing material such as bubble wrap. If you are shipping a probe for maintenance as well, carefully place the fiber head and the probe in the small white box. Be careful not to sharply bend or kink the fiber cables. If available, secure the plastic dust caps to the fiber ends to protect the connections from damage. You can check that the fiber head and probe are secured by giving the box a shake. If you don't hear anything, the box is properly packed. Place the probe box on top of the ramen system. If your probe box does not completely fill the remaining space, use additional packing material to secure the probe box in place, as you see here. If you're not shipping a probe for service, you can still use the MarqMetrix probe box to fill the empty space left in the package. However, if you do not have a MarqMetrix fiber ball probe, the original box can be modified to fit the all-in-one on its own, thanks to the included folded lines. Using a box cutter or X-Acto knife, make an incision in each corner of the box. We recommend cutting towards the open end of the box to avoid making too large of an incision. Once you cut all 4 corners, you can fold along the lower line. Notice how the box now folds closely on top of the spectrometer and its foam packaging material. The last step is to securely close the box with packing tape. As a general rule, do your best to ensure as little movement inside the package as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Be sure to follow our social media pages to learn more about MarqMetrix and our unique approach to process ramen. If you have any questions, check out our website, send us an email, or type up a comment in the section below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more ramen content, and thanks for watching.